Hi, welcome to Pointorama. To make it easy on yourself, get familiar first with the point cloud. Make sure you are in the 3D view. The 3D button will be colored green, and you can zoom in using the scroll wheel or zoom out. Rotate with the left by clicking and dragging. This orbits the camera. And with the right mouse, click and drag to reposition the point cloud or to pan the view. And last but not least, double click on any point to zoom in to that particular spot. If you like more screen space to work with, you can either opt to close the left or right panel. You can use the expand button and use escape to go back. And if you've gotten lost in your point clouds, just press fit to screen and you will regain an overview.